All right, guys, I get it. You want people to stay in your Etsy shop longer and increase the chances that they will buy something from you. Every single person coming to your shop, every visit is super important, and you want to capitalize on that as much as possible. LL here from handmadeandbeyond.com. I wanted to jump in here and show you guys how to use backlinks in your listings to hopefully increase sales and keep customers in your shop longer and prevent them from leaving and keep them engaged with related products. So I'm going to show you how to do that today and how to put those backlinks into your listings. Basically, a backlink is just an additional link that you add in your description linking to another product in your shop that's similar or that may interest them. So in case they're not interested or they lose interest in the current product they're looking at, they click on that other link and they go to that product and hopefully they'll like that and they'll buy that. It just, like I said, it keeps them in your shop so they're not bouncing to another competitor and hopefully they will buy. So let's show you how to do that today. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is find a related listing, a listing that someone may like that's similar to the listing that they're looking at. So I'm going to go in here and choose one of my listings, one of my motivational poster listings. I'm going to simply go in here and click this little gear box, and I'm going to click share, and I'm simply going to copy this link that I'm going to use. Once I have this link copied, you're going to go to bit.ly.com, bitly.com, set up an account. You can set up a free account. And then once you have that set up, which I already have done, I'm going to click create at the top right here. And then it's going to pop up this screen here. And I'm going to paste in that long link that's going to look not so great in a description. And once I have that pasted in, I'm going to hit create. And then I have it created. So here is the small little link now that we can simply copy. Hit the copy button, and then we are going to go back to our shop, pick a listing that we want to include that in with. And I'm going to simply go and edit this listing. I'm just going to pick a random listing here that kind of makes sense. And then you are going to go down, scroll down to your description. And then you're going to put something in, check out this amazing motivational poster that's similar. And then you are going to simply copy that link in here and you are going to publish it. And that's it. That will create a link in your listing that is similar to what you're selling. So if you have jewelry, maybe you have necklaces, maybe you want to put a matching bracelet link in there. If you have you sell pieces of art, maybe you're selling lion art. Maybe you have baby lion art that you want to put in there. So you can see how it keeps people engaged, keeps them in your listing longer. So when I go to this listing and I go to the description, you can see there is a clickable link in here now. So all they have to do is click on that and boom, it's popping them over to a similar listing that they may want to buy. It's as easy as that, guys, to keep people in your shop longer, hopefully keep them buying from you. And that's what we want at the end of the day. More sales, more success, more happiness, of course. Stay tuned for some more videos coming your way, guys. You need more resources to help you out. Please check out handmadeandbeyond.com. I'll be back soon. Have an awesome day.